Jessica. I mean, you can see right here, this tree uprooted. You can see it fell over. It's since been cleaned up, but there was quite a bit of damage all across our area. Cleanup crews hard at work today on Camden Street in the South End. What's left of this tree going into a wood chipper after it fell on a car belonging to the Benson family.
A lot of rain. This tree looked like it was going to fall down anyway, so I just didn't know when.
Heavy winds and rains overnight caused the damage here in the South End and across the area. In Foxborough, a tree coming down on power lines, knocking out electricity on Railroad Ave and other surrounding streets. And the Lakeville Fire Department tweeting out these photos showing the power lines igniting fires in the woods off Pickens Street. This after a large tree came down on them as well. Back in the South End, the damage to the cars is minimal, but still an inconvenience. This family grateful things weren't worse.
It didn't look like it hit it pretty bad. It looked like most of it went into the street, into the middle. No one was in it, so no one was hurt.
It's damage, but it's, life on life terms. When the storm hit, you can't do nothing about it.
So back here live on Camden Street, you can see the damage to one of those cars. Really not too bad. This obviously could have been a lot worse. Now this tree, obviously, the stump still remains here. They did clean up most of it. It was uprooted, obviously, and luckily the winds, they're still gusting a little bit, but nothing compared to what we saw overnight last night. We're live in the South End. I'm Peter Iliopoulos, WCVB News Center 5.